Right, okay. I always thought coding was supposed to be difficult. Just opening VS Code felt like a big mental workout. But then I realized something: programming isn't about boring study sessions or memorizing facts. It's more like a creative superpower. Think about turning your ideas into reality on a screen, creating music through code, or leveling up in a game where you're the one in charge. And what better way to explore that creativity than through an exciting challenge? Today, you're an undercover agent on a top secret mission. Your objective is to escape from the secret headquarters by solving a series of coding challenges hidden around the rooms. Each challenge will test your programming skills and bring you closer to freedom. Are you ready? Alright, here's the setup. We're locked in this virtual headquarters escape room, and the only way out is to solve 4 coding challenges. Each challenge unlocks a clue leading us closer to the exit. Let's get started. Our first challenge. We stand before a mysterious door, its surface marked with a color code lock. To open it, we need to crack the riddle written on the door. Add up the red values from these hex color codes. Let's break it down. Hex color codes are a 6-digit representation of colors in digital design, starting with a hash symbol. Each code consists of 3 pairs of characters that represent the intensity of red, green, and blue. For example, this hex color has FF, which represents 255 for red, 57, which represents 87 for green, and 33, which represents 51 for blue. Let's dive into the code to uncover the passcode. This code defines an object called colors, with color names as keys and their hex values as values. The SumRed components function loops through each color, extracts the red component from the hex value, converts it from hexadecimal to decimal, and sums all the red values. Finally, it logs the total sum. And there we go, the color code is 638. The door unlocks. Let's move forward. Second challenge. Decode this Morse code to find the next clue. Here's the message. Before we dive into the code, let me share an interesting backstory about Morse code. It was invented in the 1830s and was used to send secret messages over telegraphs. Each letter or number is represented by a unique combination of dots and dashes. During World War II, it helped soldiers communicate in code without tipping off the enemy. Let's see what it reveals. This code defines a dictionary that maps Morse code sequences to their corresponding letters. The Decode Morse function takes the Morse code input, splits it into words, decodes each letter by referencing the dictionary, and finally combines the letters back into readable words. The decoded message is Caesar's cipher. The second door opens, and we found the third riddle. Third challenge takes us into ancient history with the Caesar cipher, a method that dates back over 2,000 years to Julius Caesar. This clever Roman general used the cipher to securely communicate with his commanders in the field. The technique: shift each letter in the message by a set number of spaces to disguise the true meaning. Caesar's choice was often a shift of 3, so A would become D, B would turn into E, and so on. It was simple but remarkably effective for keeping secrets hidden. Now, we'll use this age-old technique to decode the message and unlock the door. Here's a phrase we'll be working with. By shifting each letter exactly 3 characters forward, we'll uncover the hidden code. This code creates a mapping between each letter and a corresponding special character. The generate secret code function converts the input message to uppercase, splits it into individual characters, replaces each character with its mapped value from the dictionary, and joins the characters back into a single encoded string. The secret code is: the truth lies within code. Great job! Thank you for joining me on this mission today. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own coding adventures in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep your code fun.